Hello everyone, welcome to Lectures by Aparna. Today I am having a question from GATE 2019. This is a question from Digital Electronics. So let's read the question. For the given circuit, state diagram is, we have to find out when A is equal to 1 or 0. So this circuit is having a D flip-flop here connected to a 2x1 multiplexer, 2x1 mux, and this is a NAND gate. So what is happening here is that when a clock pulse comes, the data that is present in this D input will come at Q and accordingly at Q bar. Okay, so depending on the value of A is a select line. So depending on whether A is 0 or 1, this Q or Q bar will appear at the output. Let us say the output of the mux be F. So if A is 0, when A is 0, the terminal that is connected to this 0, that is Q bar. Q bar will appear at F. Now when A is 1, what is connected at 1 here? Q. So the data that is present at Q will appear at F. Then this F and Q will be given to a NAND gate and that output is connected to this D input. So let's see how it works. So we have to find the next state. So I am having A, Q. This is the present state and Q, N plus 1. This is the next state. So I am having 4 combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Now I have to find the next state from these values. So take the first condition, A equal to 0 and Q equal to 0. When Q is 0, Q bar will be 1. Okay. So A is 0. When A is 0, the data that is present at Q bar will appear at F. So F will be equal to, what is at Q bar? 1. Now I have to NAND F and Q. So I am having F here, Q here and output D. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. This is a NAND gate, truth table of the NAND gate which is 1, 1, 1, 0. So F is 1, F dot Q we have to NAND. We will get F is 1, Q is 0, NAND operation of 1, 0 will give a 1 at the output. So this 1 will come here. That will be the next state. When the next clock comes, this will appear at the output. So I am having a 1 here. Next is A equal to 0 and Q equal to 1. Q equal to 1. Therefore Q bar will be 0. F will be, since A is 0, so data that is present at Q bar will appear at F. So F will be 0. Now I have to NAND F and Q which will be 0 dot 1. NAND operation of 0 and 1 will be 1. This 1 will appear here. Next is the case when A is 1 and Q is 0. So A is 1 and Q is 0. Therefore Q bar will be 1. F will be, A is 1. So data that is present at Q will appear at F. What is Q? 0. Now I have to NAND this F and Q. So that will be 0 dot Q 0. NAND operation of 0 and 0, that will be 1. This 1 will appear here. Next is A equal to 1 and Q equal to 1. A equal to 1 and Q equal to 1. Therefore Q bar will be equal to 0. What will be F? A is 1. So data that is present at Q will appear at F. Q is 1. So this 1 will appear at F. F dot Q, NAND operation 1 dot 1 NAND which will be 0. So this 0 will be appearing at the output. Now I have to draw the state diagram from this. There are two states, either a 0 or a 1. Now when A is 0 and Q is 0, Q is 0 and A is 0, what is the next state? Next state is 1. It goes from 0 to 1 when A is 0. When A is 0, Q is 1. Q is 1 here. So when A is 0, it will remain in the same state 1. When A is 0. Next is A is 1, Q is 0. Q is 0 here. It will move to the state 1 when A is equal to 1. This will be A equal to 1. Next is A is 1, Q is 1, 1 to 0 it moves. That is 1 to 0 it moves when A is equal to 1. So this will be the state diagram that we get. There will be 4 options and from that we have to choose the state diagram, which is this one. If this video has helped you, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.